Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. So today's current affair first question is Indian American Sirisha Bandala set to fly into space. India origin women Sirisha Bandala will travel to the aid of the space abroad VSS Unity of Virgin Galactic, which is scheduled to fly off on July 11 from New Mexico. This is significant as she will be the third woman of Indian origin to go to the space after Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. Number 2. Lady Doctor, the Untold Story of India's First Women in Medicine by Kavita Rao. A book titled Lady Doctors, the Untold Story of India's First Women in Medicine has authored by Kavita Rao. This book recovers the story of India's first women doctor, often ignored by history. In this expert from Kavita Rao's Lady Doctor, the Untold Story of India's First Women in Medicine, the story of Rukmabai Raut. Number 3. Mithali Raj surpasses Edward to become highest run getter. India captain Mithali Raj become the highest run getter in women's cricket across formats, overtaking former England skipper Charlotte Edward. Mithali became the world's most prolific batter in women's international, overtaking Edward 10,273 runs. Susie Bates of New Zealand is third with 7,849 runs. Stephanie Taylor 7,832 and Meg Lanning 7,024 round up to the top 5. Number 4. Indian Army Chief to inaugurated War Memorial for Indian Soldier in Italy. Indian Army Chief General M.M. Narayan will embark on an official visit to the United Kingdom and Italy, during which he will be meeting his counterpart and the senior military leadership of these countries. The highlight of the visit will be Gen Narayan's inauguration of the Indian Army Memorial in the famous town of Cassino, Italy. In the Battle of Monte Cassino during World War II, over 5,000 Indian soldiers laid down their lives while fighting to save Italy from fascist forces. Number 5. Norway's Karsten Warholm breaks men's 400-meter hurdles world record. Karsten Warholm, a 25-year-old athlete from Norway, broke the long-standing world record in the 400-meter hurdles during the Bislett Games. Earlier, the record was held by American hurdler Kevin Young from 29 years. His mark of 46.78 seconds was set at the 1992 Olympic in Barcelona, Spain, which was finally broken with an official time of 46.70 seconds by Warholm. Number 6. Invest India won the Most Innovative Investment Promotion Agency 2021 award. Invest India has been awarded the world's most innovative investment promotion agency 2021 by OCO Global. OCO Global is a leading authority on foreign investment and offer a range of economic development services, products and unique company assessment tools. Number 7. ISRO gives note to Parliamentary panel to implement satellite TV classroom. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has given its note to the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education to provide technical assistance for satellite TV classroom in the country to bridge the learning gap due to COVID-induced lockdown. ISRO scientists have appeared before the Parliamentary Standing Committee for Education and made a detailed presentation about the proposed satellite TV classroom for students. Number 8. Jammu and Kashmir ends 149 years old Darbar Move tradition. The LG Manoj Sinha formally put an end to a 149-year-old biannual transition of shifting offices between summer capital Srinagar and winter capital Jammu. The administration served notice to employees to vacate the Darbar Move related accommodation in 3 weeks in Jammu and Kashmir Administration cancelled the residential accommodation of Darbar Move employees in Jammu and Srinagar, implying the employees will remain stationed in either Jammu or Kashmir. Number 9. Max Verstappen wins Formula One's Austrian. Red Bull Max Verstappen won the Austrian Grand Prix at the Red Bull Ring, the ninth race of the 2021 Formula One World Championship season. Verstappen won the race ahead of Mercedes AMG's Valtteri Bottas and MC Lando Norris. Lewis Hamilton, Bottas, teammate and Verstappen challengers for the 2021 Drivers' Championship came home in 4th place. Number 10, today's last question of the day. The Project Bold bamboo oasis on land in Draf was recently launched from which state in India? Answer is Rajasthan. The Project Bold bamboo oasis on land in Draf is a project of Khadi and Village Industries Commission that seeks to create bamboo-based green patches in arid and semi-arid land zones. It was launched on July 4, 2021 from tribal village Nichla Mandwa in Udaipur, Rajasthan. It is a unique and first of its kind scientific exercise serving the combined national objective of reducing desertification and providing livelihood and multidisciplinary rural industry support. It has been launched as part of KVIC's Khadi Bamboo Festival to celebrate 75 years of independence Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. KVIC is set to replicate the project at village Dholera in Ahmedabad district in Gujarat and Leh Ladakh region by August this year. Total 15,000 bamboo saplings will be planted before August 2021. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.